Looking to upgrade your next camping trip? In this video, we're revealing the 30 must-have camping gadgets for 2025 that every outdoor enthusiast should know about. These innovative camping tools and outdoor gear are designed to make your experience in the wild safer, smarter, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker, a weekend camper, or just getting into the outdoors, these are the best camping accessories and survival gadgets to pack for your next adventure. From portable cooking solutions to smart lighting, compact shelters, and multi-use tools, this gear takes your campsite to the next level. Let's dive in. Creating instant shade and privacy is essential for comfort during outdoor adventures. Introducing the Hasika Canopy tent, easy to set up by one person and connects effortlessly to your vehicle for quick shelter. Made from waterproof 210T polyester with UPF 50+ sun protection, it shields against rain and UV rays. The mesh netting keeps bugs out while allowing airflow, and its spacious design fits 5 to 6 people, perfect for camping, road trips, or festivals. In low-light situations, a powerful and versatile lighting tool is essential. The OLIGHT Prowess flashlight delivers 5,000 lumens of super bright bidirectional lighting with a striking 245-meter beam. Its flashlight and lamp fusion design offers stepless dimming, 360-degree warm white light, and cool white forward light. Features include a strike bezel, diamond-like knurling, USB-C charging, a magnetic tail cap, and a holster with a fixing bracket for maximum versatility. Reliable and compact tools are essential for outdoor tasks and emergencies. Meet the Moontay Mini Katana Knives Set, a 2-in-1 Japanese Tanto knife set featuring a straight and curved blade for camping, BBQ, survival, and home use. With premium stainless steel blades, 4mm thick spines, a heat-treated wooden handle, and an integrated wood sheath, this versatile collectible set makes a perfect and practical gift for men. When you're off the grid or on the go, staying clean without bulky gear is a challenge. Introducing the Scrubba Wash Bag, a 3-ounce ultra-compact, electricity-free washing machine, 50% smaller than the original. With its patented washboard in a bag design, it washes clothes fast and effectively anywhere. Doubles as a dry bag, laundry hamper, or gear storage. Perfect for travel, camping, hiking, and minimalist living. Outdoor comfort often means finding the perfect balance between support, portability, and durability. The KingCamp low beach chairs offer an extra-wide ergonomic high-back seat with a soft, double-layered cotton backrest and breathable 3D mesh fabric. Supporting up to 300 pounds, it features a corrosion-resistant steel frame, anti-slip feet, and a dual vertical tube structure. With a compact folding design, side pockets, a cup holder, and a carry bag, it's ideal for camping, picnics, and beach days. Access to clean, running water is essential for hygiene and convenience in any setting. The mighty enhanced portable sink offers a patented design with an electronic faucet, a 2-gallon capacity, and no pumping required. Just press a button for instant use. Featuring a steeper basin slope, removable strainer, and built-in paper towel holder, it's ideal for dishes, gardening, camping, or pottery. Its compact setup, water-saving auto-stop, and indoor-outdoor versatility make it truly indispensable. For extended outdoor adventures, carrying gear comfortably and efficiently is essential. Meet the Naturehike Backpack, a 65-liter internal frame hiking backpack designed for camping, travel, and mountaineering across all seasons. It features an ergonomic, breathable mesh back pad, cushioned shoulder straps, hydration compatibility, a rain cover, and multi-position pockets. With compression straps, separate shoe storage, and an ultralight build, it securely holds tents, sleeping bags, and more. Perfect for versatile, long-term outdoor use. Comfortable, elevated rest is essential for a good night's sleep in the outdoors. The OuterSpa camping cot features an innovative ultralight design with enhanced thick tubes, a quick lock mechanism, and high-support 300D elastic silk grid fabric for durability and comfort. With a pillow pocket, drink holder, side storage for essentials, and a 500-pound weight capacity, this compact collapsible cot offers effortless setup and ergonomic support, perfect for camping, backpacking, or home use. A comfortable sleeping solution is vital for restful travel and camping. Introducing the Offroading Gear Air Mattress, an inflatable SUV and van bed designed to fit around the rear wheel wells of vehicles like the 4Runner, RAV4, and Jeep. It inflates quickly with a 12-volt electric pump, offers durable construction, and features patent-pending side chambers that convert it into a full double mattress, perfect for car camping, tents, or guests. Privacy and comfort are essential for outdoor activities like camping and beach trips. Introducing the KingCamp Privacy Tent, a portable, fully opaque shelter with a removable waterproof rainfly, mesh roof, and windows for airflow. Spacious enough for 2 adults, it includes inside and outside pockets, a towel holder, and can function as a shower or dressing room, perfect for travel, tailgates, and outdoor hygiene without bringing dirt home. A reliable, compact surface is essential for convenient outdoor meals and activities. The iClimb Ultralight folding table is made from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, making it durable, waterproof, and corrosion-resistant. Its sturdy joints, anti-slip rubber feet, and stable legs ensure reliability on any terrain. Easy to set up and pack with a carry bag included, it's perfect for camping, picnics, fishing, or relaxing at home or the beach. Keeping gear organized and dry is crucial for outdoor adventures. Meet the Rhino USA Trash Bag, a heavy-duty, water-resistant nylon storage solution with integrated MOLLE straps for attaching extra gear. Featuring metal-reinforced drain holes to keep contents dry, adjustable snap buttons, and heavy-duty buckles, it's perfect for camping, overlanding, and outfitting trucks or Jeep Gladiators with customizable patches for ultimate versatility. Comfortable seating is essential for enjoying long outdoor events or activities. The Alpcour reclining stadium seat features wide, cushioned back support, fold-down armrests, and multiple pockets for storage. Made from durable, waterproof polyester with a reinforced anti-skid PVC underside, it stays dry and stable on bleachers. With 6 reclining angles, a bleacher hook, and backpack-style straps, it's perfect for stadiums, camping, kayaking, and more. Staying cool and powered during outdoor activities is essential. The AddAcc solar-powered fan features an 11-inch blade, a 10,000 mAh battery, and a 10-watt solar panel for fast energy conversion. With 3 speeds, a 60-degree adjustable pivot, and a built-in LED lantern with 3 brightness levels, it offers versatile comfort and lighting. Lightweight and rechargeable via USB-C, it's perfect for camping, travel, fishing, and emergencies. Precision flame control is essential for cooking, crafting, and soldering tasks. Introducing the Saker Butane Torch Lighter, a refillable stainless steel blowtorch with an adjustable flame and one-handed ignition for ease of use. Its safety lock enables continuous flame, while the wide brass base prevents tipping. Perfect for BBQ, creme brulee, and metalwork, it combines durability, high firepower, and versatile functionality in a sleek design. Reliable and adjustable lighting is crucial for work and outdoor activities. The Tresda light features a strong clamp and magnetic base for versatile placement, with 2,100 lumens of super bright cob LED light. It offers 3 lighting modes, 180 degrees and 270 degrees angle adjustments, and is waterproof. With a 5-volt, 1-ampere Type-C charging port and USB output, it's portable, rechargeable, and perfect for barbecues, camping, car repair, and job sites. Having a reliable, spacious shelter is essential for comfortable outdoor family adventures. The WildFinder SUV car tent accommodates 5 to 9 people with an 86-inch center height for ample headroom. It features a dedicated shoe area for wet-dry separation, advanced waterproof PU 3000 mm fabric, and seamless attachment to your vehicle's rear hatch. Perfect for car camping, it offers protection, convenience, and versatile use in all weather conditions. Cooking over an open fire requires precise control and durability for the best outdoor experience. The BiggerFire Swivel Campfire Grill features 304 stainless steel construction that resists rust and deformation. With a 360-degree swivel and height-adjustable handles, it offers perfect cooking temperature and easy food access. Its portable, detachable design makes setup quick and ideal for camping, picnics, barbecues, and backyard fire pits. A comfortable, insulated sleeping surface is essential for restful outdoor sleep. The ACOTHOT sleeping pad features 4-inch ultra-thick supportive foam and water-resistant materials for warmth and durability. Its self-inflating design with a patented two-way valve allows easy inflation and firmness adjustment. Perfect for camping, road trips, tents, and even home use, it ensures 4-season comfort and reliable support wherever you rest. Staying clean while camping or adventuring outdoors can be a challenge without a reliable water source. Introducing the Innhom Camp Shower Pump, a 6,000 mAh rechargeable, portable shower with high and low water flow modes, an adjustable stop knob, and suction cups for stability. It includes a shower head, mesh bag, and water filter, perfect for outdoor cleaning, pet bathing, fruit washing, car washing, and travel hygiene. Outdoor adventures often lack convenient surfaces for meals, gear, or relaxation. Meet the Zune Lotto Camping Table, a portable folding solution made from aircraft-grade aluminum with anti-rust paint and a sturdy cross structure. It features an anti-slip bottom, reinforced hinges, 2 drink holders, a mesh storage basket, and a compact carry bag. Lightweight and easy to install, it's perfect for picnics, tailgates, fishing, backpacking, and more. Managing waste outdoors can be messy without a proper solution. Introducing the Coghlan's Trash Can, a spring-loaded collapsible garbage bin made of heavy-duty 600D polyester, perfect for camping, RVs, and garages. It pops up in seconds and features stakeout grommets, 4 alligator clips to secure bags, a zippered lid, clear pockets, and sturdy webbed handles for easy transport, staying compact when stored and organized when in use. Sleeping outdoors shouldn't mean sacrificing comfort. The Alpcour folding camping cot offers a deluxe single-person bed in a bag with a pillow, perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Its lightweight yet heavy-duty steel frame supports up to 300 pounds, while the double-layer 600D polyester is water-resistant and breathable. Features include a padded pillow, side pocket, compact folding design, and a gentle incline for superior comfort anywhere you rest. Extended outdoor adventures demand reliable gear and smart storage. Meet the Innhom Rhino backpack, a lightweight 2.65-pound internal frame hiking backpack designed for mountain climbing and camping. It includes multiple pockets, a hydration pack, a sleeping bag, a waist belt, a side pocket, and a waterproof rain cover. Crafted from ripstop nylon with strong stitching, it features breathable padding, ergonomic support, and an adjustable waist buckle for all-day comfort and durability. Staying cool and well-lit is essential for comfort during outdoor adventures or emergencies. The Canopy wireless ceiling fan combines a quiet 3-blade design, a 360-degree LED ring light, and a 10,040 mAh USB rechargeable battery for up to 38 hours of use. This portable fan features a remote control, an auto timer, and a hanging hook, ideal for tents, camping, or power outages. Rugged, safe, and multifunctional, it's built for reliable all-purpose use. Maintaining hygiene outdoors can be challenging without access to running water. The Innhom portable sink offers a compact, deep wash basin with a stainless steel faucet, hands-free foot pump, and a 17-liter fresh water tank plus a 6.3-gallon sewage tank. Featuring a 3-liter soap dispenser, towel holder, rolling wheels, and easy-clean food-safe materials, it's perfect for outdoor use, camping, gardening, travel, boats, work sites, and mobile hygiene needs. Getting restful sleep on hard surfaces can be difficult during outdoor adventures. The Hombee's mattress pad delivers comfort and strong support with high elastic memory foam and a high-density base, easing muscle tension. Its waterproof, removable cover protects against moisture and is machine washable. Designed with non-slip straps and rubber dots, it stays secure. Lightweight and rollable, it's perfect for camping, travel, guest beds, or backpacking use. Cooking delicious meals over a campfire requires the right tools to handle heat and enhance flavor. The iProuder Pie Iron Sandwich Maker features heavy-duty cast iron for even heat distribution and a larger cooking space to hold full bread slices and extra fillings. With thickened heat-shielded handles, a locking clasp, a detachable design, and an easy clean surface, it's perfect for outdoor cooking. Includes a rugged storage bag for easy transport. Keeping your gear dry during outdoor adventures is essential for protection and convenience. The Stover Dry Backpack offers 100% waterproof protection with high-frequency seam bonding and a reliable roll-top closure. Its durable materials, floating design, and spacious interior with wet-dry mesh pockets ensure organized storage. Adjustable padded straps, a carry handle, and reflective safety features make it comfortable, versatile, and perfect for kayaking, hiking, and more. Access to a compact and hygienic toilet is crucial during outdoor trips. The Moom. Retractable. Portable toilet features adjustable height and an easy fold-open design, making it lightweight and space-saving for travel. Made from durable ABS plastic with a safety locking structure, it offers stability. This versatile toilet doubles as a stool, side table, or storage box, ideal for camping, road trips, boating, and emergencies.